What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Coinbase Global with the ticker symbol COIN. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So Coinbase selling off just like the broader market, especially these crypto-related companies. You can see this one leg down right here, second leg down, measure move target is met. And we're still not seeing a possible reversal in sight as of right now. So we could be seeing further downside. Looks like price is coming back down to that breakout level of 268. Again, not in an exact level, obviously. Price it could be a little bit lower and maybe at the 260. Either way, you can consider this more like a zone. So let's go and erase this. Let's put a channel here. So this would be like a potential support zone right about there. Let's go and make it maybe blue. So that's a potential zone where price can find support from. Why? Because this was prior resistance right over here. Price broke through, and now it can act as support on the opposite end. So again, the key word is potential support. As of right now, it looks like we could possibly see a breakdown of that, especially the way the market is moving. We're still below the trend line. We may see price fall down deeper, probably towards the lower 200 levels, maybe to fill in this gap right here at the 193. That's a pretty far drop. I don't think it will get there, but you can't not include it in your analysis because price is dropping and it could get that low. But this to me looks like a possible quick drop. I think the market quickly wants to reach this target. It's not taking its time. For example, you could see over here that the price dropped over here, but look how long it took. It took a long time. This looks like a quick drop, kind of like something right over here where we quickly go down and then we quickly can go up. So I think it's going to be something like that. But either way, it looks like we're going to be seeing lower prices. I'm looking for, we already entered the low 270s. I'm looking for probably the 250s and possibly even lower. So somewhere right about here, I don't know exactly where, but I think somewhere right around here, maybe a little bit higher, is when price can reverse, because we do have this nice channel support right over here that can reverse price, because overall the macro trend is still up. So the bullish trend is still intact. We have a nice fitting channel. We have definitely still room to the upper side of the channel. We have room to the all-time high. Looks like we have room to the measure move target as well towards that $1,300 level. So it looks like price is finding a resistance from this prior peak right about there. So again, it's not random that price is getting rejected off of this level, because it got rejected off that level in the past, and that led to a very long-term bear market. Are we going to see the same thing occur? Probably not, because look at the difference. We have a huge macro uptrend behind this drop versus before it wasn't a huge macro uptrend. It was just a small little uptrend. So I think we probably are going to break that, but in the short term, we're probably going to see more downside for Coinbase. I don't have a good target to use right now because we just hit the target I would have used. But again, we got to look at price levels as targets now. So I'm looking for probably the mid to high 250s. If that doesn't hold, I think we're going to probably see price drop down to probably the 220s. So Coinbase is looking bearish in the short term, bullish in the long term though. Here's a look at the weekly chart. And again, like I said before, finding a resistance off the prior resistance level, not a coincidence at all, at the 354 level. Somewhere right around this, the 350s. And prices dropping down lower. But overall, uptrend is still in play. Still looks pretty good until we see something crazy, like a huge drop. Then this is still bullish long term for a measure move target being reached of about the $1,300 level sometime towards the end of next year. So Coinbase, we'll see what happens, but I think this is just going to be short term. So all I have for Coinbase Global on the daily and weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.